Welcome to this 10-minute mindfulness meditation designed to help you reduce stress and enhance focus. Find a comfortable seat, relax, and let's begin. Let's start by sitting in a comfortable position with your back straight and your hands resting gently on your lap. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment. And then slowly exhale through your mouth. Let go of any tension as you exhale. Do this a few more times, feeling the breath fill your lungs and then release. Now, bring your attention to your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and gently adjust your position if needed. Feel the weight of your body supported by the ground or the chair beneath you. Starting from the top of your head, slowly move your attention down through your body. Notice how each part feels. Move down to your forehead, eyes, jaw, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, chest, back, stomach, hips, legs, and feet. As you scan, if you notice any tension, try to release it with each exhale. Shift your focus to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. Feel the cool air as you inhale through your nose. And the warm air as you exhale. There's no need to change your breath. Just observe it as it is. As you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to the present moment. Let go of any thoughts about the past or future. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. It's natural for the mind to wander, so don't be hard on yourself. Simply acknowledge the thought and return to your breathing. Now, let's extend our mindfulness practice. Continue to focus on your breath, feeling the air entering and leaving your body. If any thoughts arise, observe them without judgment and let them pass. Return your attention to your breath. Begin to count your breaths. Inhale 1. Exhale 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Continue this up to 10 and then start over. This counting can help maintain your focus. Let's deepen our body awareness practice. Starting again from the top of your head, notice any sensations. Feel the relaxation spread from your head down to your neck and shoulders. Imagine a wave of calm washing over you, releasing any tension. As you move down to your arms and hands, feel them becoming heavy and relaxed. Notice any sensations in your chest and back. Allow any tightness to melt away with each exhale. Move your awareness to your abdomen and hips. Feel them soften and relax. Let this wave of calm continue down through your legs, all the way to your feet. Your whole body is now in a state of deep relaxation. Return your attention to your surroundings. Notice any sounds, smells, or sensations around you. Be fully present in this moment. Each time your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath and your immediate experience. Imagine you are sitting in a peaceful place, maybe a quiet forest or a serene beach. Visualize the details, the colors, the sounds, the feeling of peace and calm that surrounds you, allowing it to deepen your sense of mindfulness. As we near the end of this session, take a moment to reflect on how you feel. Notice any changes in your body or mind. Appreciate the calm and focus that mindfulness brings. Take one last deep breath in. Hold it. And then exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back to the room. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for taking this time to practice mindfulness. Thank you for joining this 10-minute meditation. Remember, the benefits of mindfulness increase with regular practice. So come back to this meditation whenever you need a moment of calm. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more guided meditations. Have a peaceful day.